Imagine waking up tomorrow, logging into your bank app and seeing a giant error message. Account not found. No ATMs, no online transfers, no way to access your hard-earned money. What would you do? Could you survive? Now, this isn't some far-fetched Hollywood script. The global financial system is more fragile than you think, and a complete banking collapse is a nightmare scenario experts say could happen. But what would it mean for you, your family, and your future? Stick with me, and we'll uncover the shocking truth and practical steps to protect yourself. Let's rewind to understand why this matters. Banks aren't just where you deposit your paycheck. They're the backbone of our economy. They lend money to businesses, help people buy homes, and even fuel innovation. But they also carry massive risks. Remember 2008? One bad domino fell, and it felt like the entire system was going under. Now, imagine that, but on a global scale. But hey, if we're lucky, maybe your monopoly board will finally come in handy as legal tender, right? In reality, this isn't just about losing money, it's about losing trust. Without banks, everyday life comes to a grinding halt. Credit cards stop working, small businesses close, and even basic needs like food and fuel become scarce. So what exactly happens if banks collapse? Savings wiped out. Most banks use your deposits to lend out money. It's called fractional reserve banking. If the system collapses, your savings could disappear overnight. Governments might step in, but bailout funds aren't limitless. Hyperinflation and cash shortages. Without a functioning banking system, money loses its value. In countries like Venezuela, a loaf of bread can cost a month's salary during hyperinflation. Imagine carrying a wheelbarrow of cash for groceries, if you can find any. Global recession. A banking collapse doesn't just hit your local economy, it's a domino effect. Stock markets crash, jobs vanish, and entire industries collapse. The ripple effect could last decades. At that point, your gym membership might finally get some use because bartering gym selfies for bread could be a thing. But here's the twist. It's not just doom and gloom. There are ways to prepare. Let's talk about you. How can you protect yourself if the unthinkable happens? Diversify your wealth. Don't keep all your money in one place. Invest in assets like gold, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. These hold value even when banks fail. Think of it as your financial life raft. Emergency cash fund. Always have cash at home. Not under your mattress, but somewhere safe and accessible. Enough for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Skills, not just savings. In a world without banks, skills become currency. Can you repair things? Cook? Grow food? These are survival skills that no bank account can replace. Because let's face it, nobody's going to trade their last can of soup for your TikTok followers. Network and community in times of crisis. Strong communities thrive. Build connections with neighbors and like-minded people who can support each other when things go south. The truth is, we don't know when or if a banking collapse will happen. But the warning signs are there. And history has shown us that it's better to prepare before the storm hits. Financial freedom isn't about how much money you have. It's about resilience, being ready for anything life throws your way. And speaking of resilience, the best way to grow and protect your wealth is understanding the power of compounding. If you're curious about how this simple concept can change your life, check out this video, point to the end screen, because wealth isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. See you there.